Do you want to disable AI in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. This is the Windows Club. In this video, we will show you how to disable AI in Windows 11. With each update, Microsoft has been introducing AI-powered features into several built-in apps across Windows 11. While these features are designed to improve productivity and convenience, not everyone wants AI deeply integrated into their PC. Some users prefer a simpler, more traditional Windows experience, while others may have privacy or performance concerns. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable Windows Copilot. Windows Copilot is the main AI feature in Windows 11. If you don't want AI to be part of your everyday Windows experience, disabling Windows Copilot is the first and most important step. Press Win+I to open settings, then go to Personalization, then Taskbar, turn Copilot off. This removes the Copilot button from the taskbar and prevents it from launching. If you want a more permanent solution, you can disable Windows Copilot using a registry tweak. Follow these steps to do so. Before you proceed, we recommend you create a system restore point and backup registry. Open the registry editor using Windows Search. Copy this path and paste it into the address bar of the registry editor. After that, hit Enter. Make sure that you have selected the Windows key on the left side. Now expand the Windows key and select the Windows Copilot subkey under it. If the Windows Copilot subkey is not present under the Windows key, you have to create it manually. To manually create the Windows Copilot key, right-click on the Windows key and select New, then Key. Name this newly created key as Windows Copilot. Now select the Windows Copilot key and right-click in this empty space on the right side. Select New, then dword value. Name this newly created value as Turn Off Windows Copilot. Right-click on the Turn Off Windows Copilot value and select Modify. Enter 1 in its value data. Click OK to save the changes. If you want to revert changes, change the value data of the Turn Off Windows component value to 0 in the registry and restart your computer. If this does not work, delete the Turn Off Windows Copilot value and restart your computer. You can also disable Windows Copilot using the Group Policy Editor to enforce the change at the system level. Method 2. Disable Image Creator, Cocreator, and Generative Fill in Microsoft Paint. AI features in Microsoft Paint primarily include Image Creator, Cocreator, and Generative Fill. Together, these AI features help users quickly create and edit images in Paint without needing advanced design skills. While there is no direct switch to disable these features, you must still disable them by modifying the Windows registry if you wish to. In managed or enterprise environments, these features can also be disabled using group policies. Method 3. Auto Image Categorization in the Photos app. The Photos app in Windows 11 now includes auto categorization, which automatically detects and organizes your photo collection into meaningful groups such as screenshots, receipts, identity documents, and notes using on-device AI on Copilot plus PCs. If you prefer manual control over your photos, you may turn this off. Open the Photos app on your PC, click the settings or the gear icon at the top. Turn off the toggle next to the Allow Image Categorization option. Method 4. Disable AI Write and Rewrite in Notepad. Notepad in Windows 11 now includes Write, Rewrite, and Summarize, 3 AI-powered features that help you generate, rephrase, or summarize text using Copilot. If you do not want to see these features, you can disable them in Notepad. Open Notepad, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the AI features section. Turn off the toggle next to the Copilot option. Restart Notepad to apply the changes. Method 5. Disable AI Actions menu in File Explorer. In recent Windows 11 builds, File Explorer features an AI Actions menu that offers quick, AI-powered shortcuts like visual search, background removal, and other file-specific actions. If you prefer a simpler context menu without AI options, you can disable these actions. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Actions. Turn off the toggle next to an app to remove it from the AI Actions menu. Turn off all toggles to remove all AI actions. For a more permanent system-wide block, you may use this registry tweak to disable the AI Actions menu in File Explorer. Hit Win+I to open settings on your computer. Now, you need to navigate to the App section, then click on Actions. Go ahead and disable unwanted apps presented to you. To remove an app from the AI Actions menu, turn the toggle button next to the app. If you want to remove all AI Actions options, set all the toggle buttons to off. Method 6. Copilot and AI features in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots menu, then go to Settings, then AI Innovations, and turn off Copilot mode. To disable Read Aloud in Edge, you can use a registry trick. Press Win+R, type regedit, and press Enter. In the registry editor, navigate to hkey_current_user/software/policies/Microsoft. Create a new key named Edge and then create a dword value named Read Aloud enabled. Set its value to 0 and restart Microsoft Edge. If you use Google Chrome as your default browser, you can disable AI mode in Chrome's address bar and search box. Method 7. Disable Copilot Discover in the Widgets port. In recent Windows 11 builds, the Widgets port includes Copilot Discover, which uses AI to surface, summarize, and recommend content. If you don't want AI-generated or AI-curated content appearing in Widgets, you can disable Copilot Discover. Open the Widgets port by pressing Win+W and turn off Copilot Discover. Reopen Widgets to apply the changes. Method 8. Disable Recall Snapshots. Recall uses AI to capture snapshots of your on-screen activity and lets you search past actions, documents, and apps using natural language. It's a Copilot plus PC exclusive feature. On supported devices, Recall can be turned off from Settings. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and select Recall and Snapshots. Use the Snapshots toggle to turn Recall off. If you are an admin, you can also disable Recall using Registry Editor or Group Policy Editor for a system-wide change. If you want to completely remove Recall from your device, you can uninstall it using Windows features, Command Prompt, or Windows Terminal. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.